Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I made these really pretty mirrored vases using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I am co-hosting my very first open collaboration. Please check the description box for details and join me. For my small vase, I use 5 of the Octagon Mirrors, 1 of the clear fish bowls. I use some diamond wrap, my Gorilla Glue, and Gorilla Hot Glue. I'll leave a complete list for all 3 projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the black tabs and the stickers from my mirrors, and then I used my Gorilla Glue to attach the clear bowl to the center of my first mirror. Next, I use that same Gorilla Glue to attach the remaining 4 mirrors. You'll see here that the bowl wasn't quite large enough to make contact with all 4 sides of my vase, but I was able to use the Gorilla Glue to attach all 4 sides securely in place. While the Gorilla Glue dried, I also added some of the hot glue to keep my mirrors in place. I let my design dry for about 2 hours, and then I added some of the diamond wrap to all 4 corners of my vase. The following day, I removed any excess glue, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. I added the clear bowl to the center because I do want to add a real flower to this vase, and I also wanted to do something slightly different with the Octagon mirrors, and I think it turned out beautiful. For my mirrored planter, I used 4 of the square mirrors, 4 of the framed mirrors. I also used my diamond wrap, and again, my Gorilla Glue and Gorilla Glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the mirrors from their frames, and then I used my Gorilla Glue and my hot glue to attach the mirrors and form my box. While that dried, I put together the base of my planter. To do so, I placed all 4 of my square mirrors face down and I attached them with the Gorilla Glue and the craft sticks. Four hours later, I put my planter together by using my Gorilla Glue to attach the box to the center of its base. Next, I used my hot glue and a bit of my Gorilla Glue to attach the diamond wrap along the bottom and the top of my planter. To complete the project, I again removed any excess glue, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my floor vase, I used 21 of these square mirrors, craft sticks, and of course my Gorilla Glues. So the first thing I did was attach 5 of my mirrors together. I used the same technique as I used for my previous project by using the Gorilla Glue and the craft sticks to attach all 5 of the mirrors. I made 4 of these pieces in total and I let them dry for about 2 hours. I also used that same technique of using the Gorilla Glue and hot glue to form my box. These pieces are slightly heavier than from the previous project, so you'll want to make sure that you have something to help prop these pieces up until they dry. 2 hours later, I used my Gorilla Glue to attach my final mirror to the bottom of my vase. I wanted my design to fully dry standing up, so I lifted the piece and I allowed it to dry overnight. To complete the project, I used an X-Acto knife to remove any excess Gorilla Glue, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. This vase is beautiful. I was looking for a mirrored floor vase that wasn't too expensive, and I couldn't find what I was looking for, and this worked out perfectly. For now, I've simply added some gold spray painted branches to my floor vase, but you can add any tall flowers to this vase. The possibilities are endless. Let me know down in the comments if any of these are mirrored pieces that you would like to make for your home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.